Hey guys, my name is Syyed Shabaz Salim and you're watching my YouTube channel SIK Creations. So guys, we are back with another and latest video for you guys. So these are material we use today designs, okay, and some gold, 4 gold moti and sugar beads, and these are needle we used, okay. And look at this another material, it's called jerkin, and side one it's a gold spring. All material is a very beautiful, and we're stitching right now neck designs, okay, neck sugar beads. And this work is a very easy for beginners. If you want to do, you please do very carefully because needle are very dangerous for beginners, so that's why you need to do slowly. And okay, so right now we're stitching sugar beads in front of this neck marking, okay. First you need to draw your marking, and first of all you need to mark your neck size and which size you want, 9 inches, 10 inches, and after that you will mark the same neck, which neck shape you want. You want round, you want pot shape, you want a square, which neck you want, you draw first, okay. And after that you will stitch the same neck lines, okay, sugar beads and stone chain and which work you want, okay. So first you need to draw your neck and your sleeves, okay. So right now we are on the sleeves and stitching straight sugar beads line. And look at this, our sleeve size, it's maximum 10 inches, and drop side it's maximum 9 inches. So right now we're stitching stone chain. It's a very unique material in Aari work, Zardozi work, and it's very important for designing because this is a very important for designing, and it's very valuable, okay. And it's very expensive. Always remember and don't waste it. So stone chain is a complete and stitching sugar beads, okay. So right now we're stitching sugar beads load in a back neck, and this work is a very unique work, okay. I'll show you first too much resham loads and spring loads, but I'm never seen and I'm never show you the sugar beads load. It's the first time, and you need to watch video start to end because it's very important for a beginners. So it's very important for you, and you don't skip any part of my videos, okay. So we're stitching same lines, okay, we're stitching same all lines like this sugar beads load, okay. So right now we're stitching another work, it's called 3-point sugar beads work, okay. And one middle side, one moti, 4 numbers with the 2 dull sugar beads, okay. First we stick green colors kundan, okay, and after that we will stitching 3-point of sugar beads and 4 numbers moti. And first we stitching gold spring around the kundans, and after that we will stitching one moti with 3 sugar beads, okay, in upper side. First we stitching center lines because center is a very important part of your booties, your flowers, and always center make your flowers look very beautiful, okay. So right now we marking over marking paper, so it's very helpful for your markings, okay. And when you mark your marking paper and you leave maximum 20 to 30 minutes for dry, okay. When he is dry it's a very clear mark, okay. Look at this. So right now we are in the sleeves and marking are dry, so stitching we are green color reshams load, okay. First we stitching white spring because white spring too much better for stitching resham load, Aari loads and gold kasab load because it's looking very beautiful and also neatness, okay. So all 5 leaf we stitching same resham loads, okay, all around the flowers. And center side you look at this one big stones with the greens, and all around it touch up with the dull sugar beads, okay. So stitching another one leaf, and all 6 leaf we stitching same work with the same neat and with the same size. okay. Don't make short, don't make long, and do very slowly, very easily, okay. And if you are a beginner, so you need to do very slowly and very easily, and don't try to do fast, because you are a beginner, you are not a pro with a very very fast karigar, and you are a pro in Aari work. So that's why we suggest you do slowly and very neat work, okay. When you learn all Aari work, so you try to do fast, don't worry, you do easily, okay. And right now you are a beginner, so you need to do slowly. So right now we are stitching gold spring around the kundans. This is 5 kundans flowers, okay. And it's all kundans with the pan shape, not round shape, it's pan shape. And look at the up size, this is also pan shape kundans, okay. So right now we are stitching around the flowers sugar beads. Sugar beads, it's very popular in Aari work, and this is a dull sugar beads, and it's always the same colors, okay. And when you use some lights color of sugar beads, it's when you make an blouse or new, so it's looking very beautiful, and after that 2-3 months it's look like dull. So that's why we will not suggest you use the another colors of sugar beads. It's very beautiful, and it's always looking the same colors. And when you take care of your blouse, okay, and if you don't take your blouse, so I think it's shade colors, okay. So right now we're stitching sugar beads around the kundans, okay. These kundans, look at this side, round kundans, and center side we stick also pan shape kundans. It's green and some big size according to the round kundans, okay. So we stitching all around the sugar beads first, and after that we will stitching jerkin stands of flowers. And you look at this, the marking, okay, same marking we do. And these are peacock cover with the sugar beads flowers, okay. So let me show you the another work. So another work is a resham zigzag. It's a very beautiful work and very difficult for a beginner. If you are beginner and you are starting, so you don't do this, you only do the gold spring work and sugar beads work and some resham works. And you need to make jerkin stands flowers, okay. And don't try to another work, because you are a beginner, and I think you not make very good. So that's why we don't suggest you to make heavy work. You need to try some little bit work, okay, like jerkin flowers, kundans, and some stitching sugar beads, and some gold kasab, okay. So right now we are stick some green kundans, and these are kundans not cover with the gold spring, it's only stick, okay, stick and dry. And after that we will show you this blouse final look, and it's very beautiful and bridal blouse. So anyone want to buy this design, so check out my description, they're available in a WhatsApp number and contact, okay. Say hi, and SAK Creation will reply you very very soon. So right now we are on the up sleeves upside, and sticking some kundans. And first we drop favicryls in upper side, and right now we are sticking green colors round kundans. It's called chandla. It's very easy for beginners, and you try to make chandla flowers like 7 by 7, 6 by 7, 6 by 6, one middle side and 6 all around, okay. So same we do. So this time we show you the final look. This is a final look of this blouse. It's very very beautiful, and I hope you guys enjoy my video and also like these designs. And if you want to support me, so you definitely subscribe my YouTube channel, and my channel have a membership option. And if you want to join my family, so you need to join my membership option and do very beautiful comments. And anyone want to buy these designs, please check out my description, and they are available in a WhatsApp numbers, okay. So guys, see you in another video, and thank you so much for watching guys.